We can take wastewater to drinking water in 2 hours versus months. E3 Water is a process. We started out to make a mobile unit to prove that we could change the way that we handle wastewater anywhere in the world. As it's turned out, the mobility of it has become very interesting to a lot of people because it takes a long time to build wastewater plants. And as we travel along life's pathway, we're going to be able to just basically pull in a unit and plug it in, and they're up and running in no time.
Our mobile wastewater unit utilizes sterile effluent technology that generates sterile effluent and sludge materials by means of physical and chemical processes. This enables raw sanitary sewer water to be fully treated and released back to the environment in a matter of hours, as opposed to the days and weeks that are typical for common biological treatment plants.
Process in a wastewater plant today, the effluent that comes into the plant goes into there, the bacteria are actually grown. The problem is any bacteria that's in there is on steroids, literally, because of all the pharmaceuticals that we take. 65% of all pharmaceuticals pass through us and go directly into the wastewater. They have to, by law, put it into a reservoir and dilute it. That then takes the water out of wherever it is, tests it, and then puts chlorine and fluorine and all of the other chemicals in it and ships it off to us. The reality is we need to get rid of chlorine, and we need to get rid of something that grows bacteria. Wichita Falls has just voted toilet to tap. Brownwood, Texas is voting toilet to tap. Big Spring, Texas, Midland, Odessa, Lubbock, Kermit are all talking of toilet to tap. Everybody says that's disgusting. The reality is we're doing it anyway.
Based in Fort Worth, Texas, E3 Water manufactures wastewater treatment units that are built into the frames of standard semi-trailers. This enables us to provide mobile, rapid response solutions for treatment needs anywhere in the world.
The most interesting thing of our process is called the swirl, the secret sauce that we have, which is great. Which is a polymer, and that polymer starts binding things to, it's called agglutination, things start sticking together. And as those things stick together, that ends up as a sludge bed in the middle of our swirl. And that swirl then, as the water comes through that, it actually acts as its own filter. And that flows through there in about 20 to 25 minutes.
Some examples of our applications are disaster relief, military applications, ships and oil rigs over 100 tons, manufacturing and agricultural operations that produce biologically charged water, small communities negatively impacted by rapid growth, such as in North Dakota, Montana, and Texas, where oil development has overwhelmed their municipal treatment systems, and man camps such as that exist in the oil and gas industry.
One of the things that's been really great for us, Tech Fort Worth has helped us modify our approach to the next levels of funding. We went to Jorge and Tech Fort Worth and asked them, we need to be able to have a place to operate, lab type thing. So he connected us out with UT Arlington, and Shimatsu had just installed probably one of the top 5 water labs in the world.
E3 Water is committed to being the world's most versatile, mobile, cost-effective, and sustainable option for wastewater treatment. Earth, environment, energy. E3 Water.